Enerlites decorator and toggle switches are designed for dependable performance in residential, commercial, and light industrial applications. Available in both single-pole and three-way configurations, Enerlites switches provide smooth, consistent operation for basic room lighting and multi-location control in hallways, staircases, and large spaces. Single-pole switches are ideal for controlling a light or fixture from one location. Three-way switches allow control from two separate locations, offering added convenience and flexibility where it's needed most. Built with durable materials and high-quality internal components, our decorator and toggle switches are designed to handle frequent daily use. They're UL-listed and engineered to meet modern electrical code requirements, ensuring long-term reliability and safety. Before installing, always turn off power at the circuit breaker. Use a voltage tester to confirm the wires are inactive. For single-pole switches, connect the hot wire to the common terminal and the load wire to the remaining brass terminal. For three-way switches, connect the common wire to the black screw terminal and the traveler wires to the remaining terminals. Attach the ground wire to the green ground screw. Carefully push the wiring back into the box, secure the switch, and screw on the wall plate. Restore power at the breaker and test the switch for proper operation. Whether you're upgrading a single room or wiring an entire project, Enerlites decorator and toggle switches deliver the performance, reliability, and clean finish today's installations demand. To learn more about our full line of wiring devices, visit Enerlites.com today.